Well, good morning. It's a nice little brisk morning today. I'd already did it on my phone, but I didn't do it on the tablet, and I didn't look at the phone before I started the video. Let's see, 7:32. It's 47 degrees out, and the sun just peeked its head up over the trees. And I'm getting ready to roll out of here. We're in Hurricane, West Virginia at the TA.
Way station ahead.
Then again, all the TAs and the Petros are all freaking old and outdated. Really outdated. Anyway, we're a little low on fuel. I'm coming back here to get fuel, but I get my biggest portion of my advance after I get loaded. So I'm only 30 miles away. I still got a quarter of a tank. 33 miles away. So I'm going to shoot over there, get loaded, come back over here, fill up, and then we're going to be heading east from here anyway. So the only reason I'm doing that is because I have to come back past this location. I also have to get some washer fluid. Oh, I just made it 100 times worse. So that's what we got going on so far. We're picking up in Huntington. Getting a load of the 4-digit Mercer truck there. Getting a load of railroad beams.
Turn at the first right onto West Virginia 34.
I hate this stupid truck. I don't know why. I deflate. I know why I do it, but I deflate my airbags at night. But once you get going to a certain speed, you can't reinflate them airbags unless you come to a stop. And there's been a couple times, because there's no warning or anything. The only thing you see is a little red light on the dash. And there's been a couple times, especially when I first got the truck, that I had forgotten to flip the switch back or to push the button so that it would reinflate the airbags, because it's a stupid electronic switch and it's not a well, I tried to let you go, but you were too stupid and just sat there. It's a stupid electronic switch, so it doesn't. I don't know what I'm trying to say. It's like the old ones. It was an air switch. So when you flipped the lever over, it was an air actuated switch. So the air ran right through that switch. This is electronic, so it's got an on and off. But then it's programmed like I guess kind of like the utility lights. Like once you get going a certain speed, you can't use it. But unlike the utility lights, at least once you get going a certain speed, they shut off on their own. That should do the same thing. Once you hit the certain speed, it should shut off on its own and reinflate the airbags. I don't do it every night, but
Turn left onto I-64 toward Huntington.
I mostly do it when, like last night, where I just left. I was uphill, backed uphill, So to lessen that a little bit, I deflate the airbags to try to level it out just a little bit. It doesn't make much of a difference on a hill like that. So anyway, we're gonna head over, get these railroad ties, and I'll see you over there. Cobblestone or brick, but these little roads to the left are one or the other. It looks like cobblestone, but yeah, I'm pretty sure those are cobblestone roads. That's pretty cool. I know everything's a little funky because of how dirty my windshield is, but I didn't want to miss showing you guys this little town here. Bunch of old maple trees. I don't know what this is to the right. Oh, those are some big oaks right there to the right. I have a little love for trees, so. We got 2 more roads and then we turn left. Shite, that don't look good. The truck didn't want to move.
Turn at the second left onto 8th Avenue.
Oh, okay. I thought we had to go where the railroad tracks are dead ahead. Alright, we got a 3-way stop, 4-way stop. Brick houses here. That's pretty neat. I'm riding a scooter and playing on the cell phone. Wow, it's like all brick houses through here. One back there had siding on it, but I bet you there's a brick layer underneath.
Winding road ahead.
See if when I edit the video, if I can pull up a picture of them streets with the stone or brick or whatever it was. Alright, pulling up to the customer now. I ain't never been over here, so I've never been over here. So we're supposed to be getting 50-foot long railroad beams. We'll see how it goes. They probably got to grab some boards out, unfortunately. But I will show you guys here in a second what we end up with. All right, so this load isn't very fun. It's 50-foot beams, keep wanting to say I-beams. I mean, that's basically what they are, but railroad beams, whatever. So we got 18 all together. I'm missing one here because I mean, I'm off balance, and it's slightly twisted. So it was supposed to be 14 on the bottom, and we had a gap up front, and this guy, let's see if we can get a little better view up here. This guy just wasn't the absolute best guy to be loading. I had a huge gap somewhere in here. I'm guessing it was in this one here. It's still a little bit of a gap. As I go down the road, that'll probably tighten up a little bit. I have a couple belly straps. Here's one. I usually go the other way so that it's tight on the belly, on the bottom here. So I usually come up, over, under, and then back over. But I kind of like this idea better. And the reason why is my thought process is that I'm going to be getting the down pull, but more so it's going to be pulling down towards the middle, down in towards the middle. So that'll help it suck it together better. That's my thought process anyway. Whether that's the case or not is a different story. So we got that one up there. Fumbled the camera. I got another one here. And then I got another one here. And then we got two on top here, two on top in the front. We got one in the middle of the two on top, front and back. And then I got them about 8 feet apart in between there. Plus we got the belly. Oh no, I also got this one. I got this one in the middle on the second row. And then it's 8 feet. I'm zoomed in too much. 8 feet between this one and this one. Same thing with these two. And same thing with these two. And then there's actually 8 feet between this one and this one. And then I think it's actually less than 8 feet. 2, 4, 6. Yeah, it's only about, I don't know what that exactly is, 6 inches? No. It's not a foot. This is 2 feet, so this would be a foot. Yeah, maybe it's about a foot. So 7 feet, something like that. With the bow in the trailer, we had to put a 2x4 up here, and then I put another 4-inch back here. Which isn't quite 4 inches, 3 inches. And then I got a little bit of a hang off. It's not, maybe 2 foot, maybe a little bit over 2.5 feet at the most. Take a quick measurement, see what it's at. I don't think it's more than 2.5 feet. I do want to, as soon as I get over to the truck stop, I'm going to see if they have a flag. I don't think it really matters. I'd have to double check the regulations there, but I like having a little flag back there just to that might go in that pin I found. I cannot keep this organized no matter what I do. Either way, I'm gonna pick up a flag. A little flag that goes on the back here. Got the see, this is the furthest one out. Oh. One, two, three. 2 foot 3 inches. So that's the worst one. Alright, so we're all set. We have an ETA for 11 o'clock tomorrow. I'll probably try to grab some road footage coming through West Virginia here. Yeah. I'll know before you, but you'll find out in a second.
It's been raining for days now, been running like a child. Can't feel the cold, well I'm lost here with you, lost in the woods, lost as I should. I barely see the sky now, we're safe under the trees. You tell me about your secrets and I'm falling madly, you'll catch me right. I'll be alright. It's all that matters really, as long as you be as crazy.
rolled out at 6:30, 6:35, 42, 43. I've only been on the road about 5 minutes now. So, looking at 216 miles to go. I gave him an ETA of 11 o'clock, and right now the GPS is saying 10:42, so they only stopped twice after getting loaded yesterday. Stopped to get my fuel. I don't remember the town name, but I'm pretty sure it's in Maryland on 68. I stopped at the Loves up on top of the mountain there. Got something to eat, salad. That was all I stopped. So all the time that I lost, I originally had on the GPS, I originally had like a ETA of, I think it was like 8 o'clock, if I'm not mistaken. I did stop at that Lowe's for like 45 minutes. So we can get something to eat and go to the bathroom. And then I was at the TA getting fuel about half an hour. So the other, what would that have been? ETA was 8 o'clock, that's an hour and 15 minutes. So that's another hour and a half-ish. Somewhere in there, I lost a lot of time going across from 68. 68, them mountains killed me. I'm not even maxed out, I'm only 40. I guess I'm close enough to max out. I'm like 41,000, something like that on the trailer. Anyway, now I'm just ranting.
To be honest, I don't think about you. To be honest, I got better things to do. To be honest, I don't care that we're over. Been fine since you told me you don't love me anymore. To be honest, I like sleeping alone. Yeah, I'm totally okay on my own. I don't even need your arms around me. I don't need you to tell me it's gonna be alright, my love. You think I'm lying to myself, but the truth is I don't need you. 'Cause I'm one in a million, and that means I'll find a better you someday. To be honest, I don't miss you. To be honest, I don't think about her. Your new girlfriend, now she's your whole world. I don't mind you posting pictures. I could watch those photos 10 times. I swear I feel nothing at all. You think I'm lying to myself, but the truth is I don't need you. 'Cause I'm one in a million, and that means I'll find a better you someday.
Got all the trains over here. Got the 18 that we just delivered in that pile right there. Mostly what's on top. And that's it. So I don't know if I'll be doing this load again, or I did not like that loading place. That kind of stunk. They unloaded me with the front end loader here. They used that loader right there to unload me, so it went a lot faster going that route. I mean, the guy that loaded me, he just used a regular forklift. It wasn't even an oversized forklift. It was like your regular warehouse forklift. Like it was one that you see that goes in and unloads dry vans and stuff. So he was loading me 3 rails at a time. And these guys unloaded. Well, he took the first 5 off, then he took 6 off on the second one, and then the last pole he did 7. The only thing that kind of sucked unloading here, I had to unsecure everything, and then he took off the 5 sticks, and then I had to pull out to the road while he placed it on the pile, and then had to go back and forth a few times. So it wasn't terrible, it just a little bit of a pain in the ass. So we've been here for just over an hour now. Hour 10 minutes, something like that. Hour 15. So I don't know what I'm doing yet. I think I'm heading home. I'm just tired. I need some pillows. I forgot my pillows when I left the house. And I'm gonna try to get another load on Friday. Tomorrow or Friday. Today's Wednesday, 9/11. And it's my daughter's 17th birthday, so I'd like to get up to the house and at least give her a hug for her birthday. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe.